Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys. This is dinner time, and like I've mentioned, and if you've seen the last couple of videos, we must have a postman that's on holiday or something. The times that I'm getting my mail and my parcels is all over the map. But it's dinner time and 3 parcels arrived, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna do like I did when I got a lot of parcels at the beginning, that I filmed everything. I tried to upload it as best that I could on the same day, the same evening, as well as possibly the next day. Some of you might have seen on Instagram. I would just want to make sure that I can get the information up and out so that you guys will have access to it. So what I'm doing is I'm filming all of it. So like I said, keep your eyes open that there's going to be a few videos in reference to what I got tonight at dinner time from the post office. All right. The one that we're doing right now and is from Ipsy, and it is my actual Glam bag. I am so excited that this has arrived. This is really exciting. I'm pretty much like majority of my boxes being able to get them before the middle of the month, I think is absolutely fantastic. So there was a card inside, but the information on the card was not there, but no worries, because like I share with you all the time on my channel, I always make sure to put down the information on the day that all of this happens. And when I make my choices, I share that information with you too, with the spoiler videos, as well as when we have the choice days. And when I do that, I leave all the information here on my desk so that when the products come in, I could know if what was supposed to be in my bag is in my bag. I then take off all the excess packaging, and I take a picture for my Instagram. So hopefully you'll be following me there as well. My name is True Wants with the number 2 over on Instagram. So this is called Wild Beauty. And as you know, on my channel, I do get from Ipsy that I pay for my Glam bag, as well as the Plus, as well as the X. But during the X months, which I already shared with you, I got a fantastic Glam X. That one upgraded from my Plus. But at the beginning of the month, the channel gets a PR package from Ipsy that I'm able to share with you, the Plus as well as the Glam bag. So that is fantastic. But I always still purchase my other bags from Ipsy, as well as you know, the mystery bags, which I've already had the opportunity to post. I grabbed both of those. They're both really good. The $14 one as well as the $30 one, as well as, you know, with me with my flash sales and add-ons and all of that. So, and all of that is done way before I even had a channel. I was getting the ultimate box as well. It's just something I really enjoy Ipsy, and I like everything that they have. And now that they own BoxyCharm, it's just fantastic. So between those 2 companies that I was always getting those boxes before I even had a channel, it is just really fantastic when the company like an Ipsy recognizes and sends something to the channel. I think is absolutely fantastic, as well as to all the other people that have contacted or shared with me. When I have the opportunity to share on the channel, I do my best to do that as well. All right, so let's go through everything that I got in here, because like I said, the bag this month was fantastic, and it took everything in me not to choose the bag in the Glam X, because I said I should be choosing products, because that's really what it's all about, is learning about the products. But if you get the opportunity for $13 to be able to get a bag including 5 deluxe sample sizes, and a lot of times they'll throw in a full size in there, but the bag is never part of the count, and the bag is always such a treat. So this is, if you haven't seen it yet, this is the bag that it came in. Then one size has the beautiful pattern of what I call the Mother's Day flowers, as well as the back being that perfect fuchsia type of pink. It has the toggle closure in a rose gold, And these are always well-made bags. They're not throwaway bags. They're always good bags to give as little gifts and treats. And if somebody's, not well or in the hospital or anything like that, these are two things that I always like to gift. So, and put little products inside just to give a little pick-me-up, even as a hostess gift or anything like that. So these bags to me are always an absolute treat. So let's start off with the products that they chose for me. And I think we're ending off with the product that I ended up choosing for myself, because you do get to choose one item in this bag. So this is from this brand called Basic Skin. And this they're saying is a shower scrub. They're saying this is an $18 value, and this is the full size that's in here. And it is a 45 ml. And it says it's more than just a scrub. This is a multitasking, smooth and polish rough spots with a tiny buffing heads while nourishing and smoothing your skin with antioxidant-rich aloe vera. It says massage it into your wet skin using circular motions. And they're saying for best results, use the scrub 2 to 3 times a week. They're also saying this is a vegan and cruelty-free. They're also saying about Basic Skin, they're saying it is a female-owned indie brand with one mission in mind: to bring you cruelty-free, non-toxic skincare that's made with the highest quality ingredients. Also, this was completely sealed on the back. It also had a manufacture date on here as well as an expiration date. The manufacture date was December 15th of 2021, and the expiration date is December 14th, 2024. And this is very exciting. And also, when they come with safety seals, I remove them all prior to, so that I'm not struggling here on camera, because as I tell you all the time, I film like as if it's live, so that I can get everything done all in one day and still be able to share with you guys as well. That is what the product looks like here. And I do my best to also swatch everything, so that if you're not getting the box, and if this ends up being an add-ons, or if it ends up being a choice item, you'll be able to know a little bit more about the products from the information as well as the swatches. This feels more like a sugar scrub. It is definitely not for the face. This has a bit of a scratchy feel like sugar scrubs do, but they are fantastic to really get rid of a lot of anything that needs to get rid of on your skin. This will help it also. And the scent on this is really, really beautiful. It is a really unique scent, but it is really, really beautiful. It's not flowery, it's not fruity, it's like a mixture of both. Really, really nice. If you've had the opportunity to try this and you've had the opportunity to smell it as well, please share in the comments what you think the scent of this is. The next item in here is from this brand called Ditto, D-I-T-O, and their packaging is always beautiful. And I think this is one of the products that was in one of their eyeshadow palettes, and I think it's called Peresephone. That is what is written on the back here. And it just simply says not for resale on the back here. I don't think it has a shade anywhere on here, but I will definitely look for one. And if I find one, I will leave it in the description box down below. But they're saying that the full size of this, which is a full palette, would be $30. This is a deluxe sample size. This is a shimmery rose shadow. It is highly pigmented. It is easy to blend and build and goes on super smooth. It says use your favorite shadow brush, damp or dry, to apply this shade to your lids and create a custom look for any occasion. It is also 100% made with vegan ingredients. And it says about the brand, they are a fun, bright, and totally unique. All of Ditto's makeup products are designed with the goal of helping you celebrate your own individual style. So let's see what this looks like in here. It does come with a little safety shield. There is no little mirror in here, but that is that shade, which is absolutely perfect. That is that perfect universal shade to always amp up any look that you're doing. This is the type of shade that I like to place either all over my eye. It would be perfect for what I'm wearing now, as well as in the center of your eye too, to just give it a pop of color, because it's got a beautiful, beautiful shine to it. Really, really pretty and really pigmented. Very, very nice. The next item in here was another skincare product, and this was, so we have a body care, we have a makeup product, and now we have a skincare product, and this is the H2O Plus. It is a Hydration Oasis Nourishing Gel Cream. The full size of this would be a $42 value, but this is a 10 ml deluxe sample. It is a moisturizer, and it says proof that serious hydration does not need to feel heavy. This is a nourishing gel cream. It restores your skin's moisture level with a hyaluronic acid that helps jumpstart its renewal process with ample stem cells and quickly absorbs into the skin without leaving behind any greasy residue. They're saying both morning and night you can apply this massage's dime-size amount onto your face, neck, as well as your chest. After cleansing, toning, you can apply and applying serum. So this is a moisturizer, so this will be your final step. And they're saying it is all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. And about the brand, they're saying H2O Plus products blend botanicals, extracts, and clinically proven ingredients to deliver maximum hydration and efficiency. So let's just take a little bit on, I'll do it on the other hand because we still have the scrub on this one. So we can look at it. It looks like it has a blue tone to it. That is what it looks like there. And like I said, for the scents, I don't think there is any, but like I said, I've been swatching and playing with other boxes that I'm filming for you guys. So some of them were highly scented, but this, if I go like directly close, it just smells clean to me. And that is what that looks like there. Very hydrating, very soothing. I love gel creams, so for me, this is an absolute win. The next item in here is one that I am so excited was in my box because so many of you have written to me that you are really impressed with this brand, and I haven't had the opportunity to try this yet. And this one is from the brand called Tanais, T-A-N-A-I-S. It is a Kajal pencil, and it is in Divine Kalo. They're saying this is a full size, and it is a $20 value. And they're saying this is an eyeliner that is super creamy and ultra blendable. It is a black pencil that takes your regular smoky eye look to that next level, thanks to the long wearing pigments that delivers supreme color payoff with that velvet finish. They're saying how to use it. Trace the tip along your upper and lower lash line and then smudge to create your desired level of smokiness. This is also a vegan and cruelty-free product. And they're saying Tanais images fragrance, beauty, as well as jewelry as expression of the ritual adornment and ancestry. Each item is designed as a talisman made from rare or gorgeous materials. That's very interesting. All right, let's do a swatch of this so we can see how black their product is. So I'm gonna do, wow, that went on very creamy. I did one little guy and then I'll try to do more, but it comes out the same. It is really, really, really pigmented. Really excited about that. So really, really fun. If you've had the opportunity to try this product, please share in the comments down below if you've also tried it in the waterline and if it stayed put. I would love to know, because a lot of times when it says in the descriptions that it's blendable, I want to know if it's blendable and then it stays or if it stays creamy. So I just would need to know. So thank you. If you've had the opportunity to try that, I would love to know. And then my last item, I didn't think it was going to be this tiny, but this is what is in here. And this is from the brand called Awake. And they're saying this is a lip therapy mask. This is a deluxe sample. The full size of this is $20, but I have shared with you that Awake is also, I think, part of the Tarte family. And Tarte also has another brand that's called Sugar Rush. And I had the opportunity, and I don't know if any of you got it as well, but a few of you I've mentioned it to have grabbed it. It had like a fake plastic pink, yellow flower that was on the top. And I couldn't get enough of it. Every time I saw it in add-ons, I grabbed another one. Then I gave gifts of it. And then everyone I recommended it to me to said, yes, it is the best lip that you've ever put on. So I could not wait when there was another one available. I had to make it my choice item. So this is the lip treatment. It is packed with blendable, nourishing plant oils, including olive, argan, and rosehip. This mask helps protect your lips with free radical damage, and it helps stimulate collagen production to get them looking smooth, plump, and pillowy. It says apply in the morning and at night or whenever your lips just need that little extra TLC. It is also vegan and cruelty-free, and it's inspired by the idea of being refreshed and well rested. And that's where they came up with the name Awake by Tarte. It harnesses the energizing powers of plant antioxidants to help remove and restore and regenerate your skin. So I will be trying this tonight because, like I said, I literally, the jars, like they're so empty with all the ones that I've used, and it looks very similar to the one that I have. So that I fell in love with, that is from the Sugar Rush line, and the one that I recommended to so many of you. So excited to have the opportunity to try this. I just wish it was a little bit bigger, but that's more from you know, the perspective of someone that knows I'm going to go through this product really quickly. So like I said, this is called Awake. And that's everything that we got in my Glam bag for the month of May. So like I said, everyone gets a bag. This is not part of the count. We got a fantastic body care product from Basic Skin. We got an eyeshadow makeup product from Ditto. We got a skincare product from the brand H2O, another makeup product from Tanais, and then from Tarte, the Awake brand, we got this product that could be considered makeup or skincare. So I think it's a very well-rounded bag. I always suggest to everybody, this is where I started to see if I even like getting subscription bags at $13 a month, free ship to your door, and access to everything else Ipsy, from their add-ons to their flash sales, to their mystery bags, to the shopper, to everything Ipsy, with the entrance fee of getting in with a $13 bag, which puts you into the membership program, and then you have the luxury of everything else Ipsy has to offer. Please share in my comments down below what you think about what I got in my bag. And like I said, if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products, please share that in the comments as well, because that is my lifeline to you. And make sure to stay on my channel to see all the other boxes that we have coming up for you that arrived today. And that's it. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all soon on my next one. Bye for now.